Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel BizFix with Yvonne. In today's video, we're going to be going over how to create 50 designs in one click using Canva. Let's get to it.
Okay, let's get started. So on this sheet right here, I have 50 quotes, 50 productivity related quotes. I have it by serial number, what the quote is, and who said it. I actually created this using ChatGPT. I'm going to put the prompt that I used in generating this list of 50 quotes in the description box below. So if you're curious on how to get started, how to come up with something quick and simple in your field, for you, it could be about skincare or it could be about food and health and wellness. You could tweak the prompt to make it your own. We're trying to create 50 quote-like designs in Canva in one click. So we'll come back to this in a sec. Let's switch pages to the Canva app. Now we're within Canva and I have this template, this quote template that I like. So I have 50 quotes and I'm basically coming up with productivity quotes for each week for my channel or for my page, and we are going to use this format. I want to create 50 of these with each of the different quotes from the Google Sheets that I showed you a few seconds ago. So let's get to it. So I'll go to apps and I'll search bulk create. Click on this. I have two options here. I can enter the data manually or I can upload the data. So I'm going to show you how to enter the data manually. So we hit enter manually and here we have name and we have email. I will rename this to say quote and this to say said it. And now I will flip back to my Google Sheets. So we have all of these. Copy back to Canva. Go back into the Google Sheet, copy who said it, flick back to Canva, and then I'm just going to delete this row. So just checking that I have all 50 in here. So yep, I have 50, it's the header row, and I'll hit done. Now, what's next? So now I want to convert this to grab quote and who said it to grab this. And then right click. And then I'm going to go connect to data and hit quote. And then for this, right click as well, connect data and who said it. Okay. Now we hit continue. Select all. It's creating pages based off of all 50 rows. And then I'm hitting generate 50 designs. And we're done. I'm just looking through to see if I need any formatting changes. So take a look at this one. Because the quote is so long, it covered the name. So I'm just going to move that over. What else do we have? Same here. And I can also view it this way. So I can look at quite a number of them. Okay, so most of it is good. This one I want to bring down. So it's well centralized. This one I want to take up. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So, and just like that, we have created 50 designs in, I think that took us less than 5 minutes. Not I think, it definitely took us less than 5 minutes. So if you're struggling and you're trying to figure out, okay, how do I post consistently every week? For me, I'm a new YouTuber and I'm trying to post a lot more content, not just for long form, but also shorts. So I will be using this feature in some of my content creation plans. There you have it, all 50 designs, all done in one click. Let me know if you have any questions. One of the things you would have noticed in the bulk create window, you can also add images. So let's say I had an image to also include in my design. I can actually have that included as well. So after I enter the data manually, I can also add in an image. I'll be showing you how to use that in a future video. I had a lot of fun creating this, so feel free to use it and incorporate it into your content creation process. It could probably save you time and hours. Share it with your team. Share this video with someone you think would find this extremely useful. Till next time, bye. Oh, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comment section what more you'd love to see from me. Take care. Bye-bye.